cool.
Uh-oh. Will you hold this? It's for noses.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Just from the car.
I'm keeping her warm.
There you go. Yeah.
She's been here for a while.
Can you put that one in here too?
Yeah, 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah, you can only stay for 90 days on the visa.
Oh, okay.
But I might go
where's
back
some
with him for
more?
a little bit this summer, and then
Where's
he'll probably
some
be
more?
coming back
Mhm.
in the fall. He's trying to get a
Listen.
work visa because he's working for this lady, but
Mhm.
we're not sure what's going on yet.
We
Okay.
can all jump up and down on them. That
Are you
might
still
make
with,
it
um,
enough to mail.
Are you still with that job that you had before? I want to say with Johns Hopkins, but
Yeah,
I'm not sure. Is
it
it
is
Johns
Hopkins.
Hopkins? Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, but probably gonna leave them soon. Everyone's leaving actually. I'm gonna be the only one left.
Oh, great.
Yay, here you go.
Is the grant running out?
Uh-oh.
It started to, yeah, and she got rid of
Mm.
half the people, and it just hasn't been the same since. Like, no one likes it anymore.
Mhm.
Come on,
So,
look.
how do you zoom?
Push up.
Oh, cool.
Wow, you got grass on that one.
Yeah. It's empty.
Wow. Ah.
Hi, Ken.
Are there any more? I don't know. That's what that is. Is I don't know and where. Or where? That's the signs. I don't know.
Learning sign language, is he?
Mhm. I love his I don't know. He goes I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, nice. Now he's trying to pick up
Oh, you're getting ambitious there. Here you go. Thank you. We got a runny nose.
3.
Sure. Thanks. Can I wipe your nose? Thank you. Oh, not all over your face.
He said, I'd rather have it run.
Yes,
Yeah.
I understand that. Look, there's more. You take this with you? There you go. Gotta go the other way. There you go.
Okay, he figured that out himself. That's good.
Yeah. Can you put one in there? It makes me
It's
so happy.
easy to miss those little subtleties, but they're there. You got to look for them.
Okay. There's one. There's some over here.
Here. I'm going to get it before you are. Yes, I am. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it first. Come on. Come on. I'm going to get it first. I'm going to get it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you win.
Oh. Yay.
Yay.
Any more?
I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it first. I'm going to get it.
This is okay, get it. Yay. Yay.
Good job.
So I'm going back here.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So cute.
Bye-bye. See you later. I'm going to go in too.
Okay, bye-bye.
You want my jacket for a little while, Katie?
No, I'll probably grab one in a minute.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are there any more? I don't know. Are there any more? They left. I know.
Hi.
I'm sorry. Sometimes people walk away. They go do other things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you all done? Would you like to go inside or do you want to find more eggs?